Alright, hey, my name's Bob, and I'm going to show you in a very short video here how I clean my vacuum. We have a lot of pets, and we do a lot of vacuuming, and these things get, this is a Bagless vacuum, Bissell vacuum. Obviously the first thing you want to do is to just empty out any of the excess hair. We get a lot of dog hair, cat hair, it's crazy. Now what I used to do, and in this particular vacuum, your vacuum will be different, could be different, but usually there's a separate filter in these Bagless vacuums. So in the bottom of this one, this just screws off the bottom here. And this is the piece that was just kind of a pain to clean. I didn't really feel like, I mean, it's not that bad, but I had to go around this side of the house because it's very dusty. And you gotta shake it off, and I'm gonna show you how to do that, how I do it now. I used to go around to the side of the house and shake it and do it that way, but I found a much better way. So the first thing I do is just get maybe some of the bigger pieces off. You don't even need to do this part if you don't want to, but alright, so now I'm going to show you how I clean this. Quick, and to me this has to be one of the best ways to do it. So let's get to that. First thing I'm going to do is blow off with this outer filter in place. I'll show you. I'll be taking it off, but I want to, the initial cleaning, I want to do it with it on. Alright, I mean this looks dark, but that's the color it comes. It's like a dark color. This was not white to start out with. It was darker color. So anyway, this thing's perfect now. You just put it back on, and you see how quick that is. Before, what I would do is I would take this and bang it on the concrete out in the street to tap out the dust. So to me, this is the way to go. It takes 30 seconds. Obviously, you need a blower, but if you have a blower, then boom, it's good as new. All right. All right. Thanks for watching.